Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company. I'm Laura, and today we're going to make our own herb-infused oil. These ideas came from a monthly subscription box called Apothecary at Home. And I love the idea of being able to do things on my own, being a little bit more self-sustaining, being more natural. So that was the purpose. So I'm wanting to make some like a burn salve. But before I can do that, I have to make the infused oil. So here we go. I have a double boiler. I have some water in the bottom. Put the double boiler on top. And it says, for the salve that I'm wanting to make, I need 2 parts comfrey, 1 part plantain, and 1 part chickweed. So, chickweed. And that's 1 part. So I'm just going to do a teaspoon. Kind of a nice rounded teaspoon. So 1 part chickweed. And I love the fact there's plenty left so I can make other things. And they give lots of ideas for other recipes and stuff. So I'm pretty excited. We're going to put that over here now. Let's see. 2 parts comfrey. There's my comfrey. Comfrey is for external use only. And I like the nice yellow. Don't drink this. Don't eat this. Don't make it into a tea. But you can make it into a salve or an oil. So this is 2 parts. Again, a nice rounded. There's 1. And 2. So we're going to close this up and put aside. Again, lots left over. And 2 parts of the plantain. One. And 2. They weren't quite as rounded. Now, according to their introductory booklet, you can do rosehip oil or jojoba oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil. All can be replacements for extra virgin olive oil. Well, I happen to have some extra virgin olive oil. So I am going to pour this over until it covers my herbs. Set that aside. Yeah. I think that did the trick, don't you? And it says, medium-low heat to warm it up and turn down to low for a few hours. It says we want to turn it on to medium-low. So I'm putting it on a 3. That's dead center medium. Let's do a 2.5. And this is going to have to be heating up for a few hours, it says. So the medium-low heat is for it to get nice and warmed up, and then I'll turn it to low and let it just simmer for a few hours. Meanwhile, I'll go find something else to do while I'm waiting. and we'll come back and see what's next. Don't go away. Okay, so I let my herbs and oil cook over to simmer for about 3 hours. I have a fine mesh strainer, and I'm going to carefully, because this is hot, and they said be careful about not getting water into it. Okay. Just going to kind of press it a little bit to make sure all the oil is coming out. Put that there. Apothecary at Home included a jar. And I'm going to pour that into here. And this is, they also included some little labels. So I will write on here that this is an herb-infused oil and that it is 2 parts plantain, 2 parts comfrey, and 1 part chickweed, so that it will be used for a salve for bruises, scarring, sprains. We'll just see how that all works. So I'm going to put the lid on. I get me a nice fine tip marker, put the label on, and then I'll have it ready for when I'm ready to make a salve. I think the next one I want to do is one for itchiness, you know, like bee stings, splinters, itchy skin, stuff like that. I tend to get caught by a cat or two, and I'm always running into things, and the prickles in the backyard with the garden. So far, so good. My June Apothecary at Home box. So I liked the tea. You can find that try it taste testing on Crazy Dave's Crew. And I've made my first infused oil today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you're as excited as I am about learning new things, learning herbs and natural remedies and ointments and salves. Don't forget to find the video on Crazy Dave's Crew how you can win this box with all these ingredients. Hope you'll subscribe. I hope that you liked the video. And I hope I will see you next time right here on DIY Dave & Company. Thank you for watching.